Let's be real, the era of pocket jewelry is dying. If you're still relying solely on a folder in 2026, you're playing a dangerous game. This is officially the year of the EDC Fixed Blade. Why are the world's top operators ditching their folders for these? Because when your life depends on it, a hinge is just a failure point waiting to happen. Today, we're breaking down the top 6 most indestructible fixed blades dominating the scene right now, including one at the #1 spot that is literally changing the rules of EDC. You don't want to miss this. If you're looking for a tiny but mighty contender for your 5th pocket, the QSP Baby Penguin is a masterclass in downsizing. This isn't just a shrunken version of the original, it's a precision tool designed for maximum utility in a minimal footprint. Let's talk specs. You're looking at a blade length of 2.5 inches, crafted from a reliable 14C28N Sandvik steel, which is a huge win for edge retention at this price point. The overall length comes in at 5.9 inches, making it incredibly discreet. The best part? It weighs a measly 2.82 ounces. You'll literally forget it's in your pocket until you need to zip through some cardboard. With its snappy ceramic ball-bearing action and various handle scales like micarta or G10, it's arguably the best value sub-2-inch folder on the market today. When a professional mechanic turns into a knife maker, you get a tool like the CRKT Razel. Designed by the late John Graham, this knife defies traditional categories by blending a folding blade with the raw utility of a workshop chisel. The specs are built for heavy-duty tasks. You're getting a 2.32 squared-off blade crafted from D2 tool steel, which is famous for its incredible toughness and edge retention. The overall length measures 5.27 inches, providing a stout, confidence-inspiring grip. Despite its overbuilt tank-like construction, it remains highly carryable at a weight of 3 ounces. Whether you're scraping gaskets, prying stubborn clips, or slicing through heavy-duty rope, the Razel is a purpose-built beast that refuses to quit. It's essentially a pocket-sized toolbox that happens to be one of the most unique EDC options available today. If you love the heritage of a traditional pocket knife but want the zero-fail reliability of a fixed blade, meet the Boker Barlow BFF. Designed by Lucas Burnley and handmade in Germany, this is the ultimate gentleman's fixed blade for 2026. Let's dive into the specs. This compact beauty features a 2.76-inch blade made from ice-hardened AEBL stainless steel, known for its incredible fine edge and ease of sharpening. The overall length is a pocket-friendly 6.02 inches, perfectly balanced by ergonomic handle scales, available in walnut wood or green micarta. It is incredibly lightweight, coming in at just 2.29 ounces. It carries deep and discreetly thanks to a high-quality leather sheath equipped with a pocket clip. It's a timeless classic reimagined for modern carry. If you need a compact fixed blade that bridges the gap between a slicer and a survival tool, look no further than the Civivi Timberbark. This Bob Tertiawood design brings high-end utility to a very carry-friendly footprint. Let's check the specs. You're getting a 3.2-inch drop-point blade crafted from Swedish 14C28N stainless steel, which offers a fantastic balance of toughness and corrosion resistance. The overall length is a manageable 6.89 inches, while the handle, available in G10, micarta, or wood, measures 3.69 inches. Despite its full tang strength, it's remarkably light at just 3.3 ounces. It comes standard with a Kydex sheath and a Turwilla T-clip for versatile carry. Whether you're hiking or handling daily chores, the Timberbark is built to perform without weighing you down.
When it comes to precision engineering and tactical prowess, REIT rarely disappoints. And their REAT RT500 fixed blade knife is a prime example. This isn't just a knife, it's a statement of robust capability for serious users. Let's get into the specifics. The RT500 boasts a formidable 3.94-inch blade meticulously crafted from premium D2 steel. This ensures exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, ready for the toughest tasks. The overall length is a substantial 8.27 inches, providing excellent leverage and control. Despite its full-tang construction and capable dimensions, it maintains a reasonable weight of 7.6 ounces. The ergonomic G10 or carbon fiber handle scales offer a secure and comfortable grip even in challenging conditions. Complete with a custom-fitted Kydex sheath, the RT500 is a top-tier choice for tactical or demanding outdoor use where absolute reliability is paramount. The Reich Jaeger F118 fixed blade knife is a solid, budget-friendly survival blade that blends rugged performance with reliable materials. It features a 4.33-inch blade crafted from Sandvik 14C28 stainless steel, hardened to around 58 to 60 HRC for strong edge retention, good corrosion resistance, and dependable cutting performance outdoors. With an overall length of 8.78 inches, the Jaeger offers good reach and control for both fine work and general outdoor cutting. Its full-tang construction, paired with a textured G10 handle, provides a secure, ergonomic grip in wet or dry conditions. The knife weighs approximately 6.72 ounces, making it comfortable to carry without feeling heavy on the belt or pack. A rugged ABS plastic sheath with an adjustable belt buckle is included, giving you versatile carry options for hiking, camping, or everyday outdoor use.